This is Viral Studio channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to buy domain and hosting from Truehost. Truehost seems to be the cheapest hosting provider we have and is owned by Nigerians. So today I'll be teaching you how to buy both domain and hosting from Truehost. The first thing you have to do is to open your browser, and when you open your browser, go straight and type truehost.com.ng. And after typing this, you simply click on enter, and when you click on enter, it will take you to this space where you will buy your domain and hosting. And remember the website you want to design. If you are a web designer, you know the difference between WordPress website and normal website. And for this hosting and domain, we are buying it to use and design for our WordPress website. And before we go on, I would like to explain what domains and hosting means, the difference, so that you understand better, because so many people, so many of my students have been asking me, Sir Wisdom, what's the difference between domains and hosting? And today I'll be explaining to you. First of all, we'll be discussing about hosting. I will tell you what hosting is all about so that you understand it better. Hosting refers to the service that stores your website files, database, and emails on a server. It's like renting a physical space server to store your website content. Hosting providers manage the server, ensuring your website is accessible, secure, and performs well. Types of hosting include shared hosting, virtual private server, which is VPS, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. So when you're buying a hosting, you know the type you want to buy. And now, what is domain? A domain is the unique address name that identifies your website on the internet. It's like the street address of your website, making it easy for visitors to find and access your site. Domain names are registered through a registrar. Example: GoDaddy, Namecheap, Truehost, for and many all of them. There are many these things where you can buy a domain. So for a specific period, example 1 to 10 years, you can buy a domain of 1 to 10 years. Types of domain include top level domains, which is TLDS, like .com, .org, .net, and country code TLDS, CCTLDS, like US, UK, in, and many others. So here I'll be telling you the key differences, what differentiate domains and hosting. First of all, the purpose. Hosting stores your website files, while a domain is the address that points to your website. Functionality. Hosting provides the infrastructure for your website, whereas a domain is a naming system that directs users to your site. And number three is providers. Hosting is typically provided by web hosting companies. Example: Bluehost, Truehost, SiteGround, and many others. While domain registrar is handled by domain registrars. Example: GoDaddy, Namecheap, and many of them. In summary, hosting is the house where your website lives, while a domain is the address that helps people find your website. So I'm sorry for making this video longer. Let's just go straight to the main business. When you come to this page as a Truehost user, whether you have account with them already or not, the first step you have to take here is to go to hosting. When you hover over hosting, you will see domain names, cPanel web hosting, WordPress hosting, Windows hosting, SSL certificate in Nigeria, online store builder, business email hosting, website builder, transfer hosting. And remember, as I told you before, we are buying hosting, both domain and hosting, for our WordPress hosting. Then the next step you have to take is to go to WordPress hosting and then click. And after clicking this, you wait for it to load to take you to the another step where you will choose the type of hosting which you want to buy. So let's wait for it. And here you can see we are already there. Here you can see WordPress hosting. Select the perfect package for your business. And here you are seeing web hosting starter, Web Hosting Pro, and here you also see Web Hosting Business. So we'll be buying we'll be let me show you something as well. If you're buying web hosting starter, you should please take your time to go through this. Then you understand the web hosting starter can only host 10 websites. Web hosting pro can only host 10 websites, and web hosting business is unlimited. It hosts unlimited, or you can host more than 1 million websites if you buy this as a hosting. And here I will be buying web hosting starter because I'm not using this for any business. I'm buying it just to use and teach you. Then I'll be buying a web hosting starter. And then here you just simply click on select. And when you click on select, it will take you to this space where you will choose the name you want to, the domain name you want to buy together with the hosting. And here you first of all think, what type of domain do I want to buy? What's the purpose of the website I want to design? What's the niche and other things? If you're designing for a client, make sure that you ask the client to give you phone number, email, his or her email, the website niche, and many others. Let me say if I want to buy a travel, there are many niche: travel, education, and many others, both food and other things. And here in this video, I'll be buying travel domain. And here I will have to search for a domain I want to buy if I don't have any domain in my mind already. If you have a domain name in your mind already, then you can simply go to GoDaddy and search to know if the domain is available. But if you have not done that, simply come to this place. You can try many domain names to know the one that is available. And here, let me check travel boom. Oh, travel grace. Okay, let me say travel gist. And here this is the extension where you will select whether you want your domain to be .com, .com.ng, .ca, .ac, .academy, .accountant, and anything at all you want. Here I will be buying .com.ng because I'm using this video to teach you guys something. So I'll come over here and select .com.ng, and after that I'll click on check. Then when you click on check, you wait to know, and when you come here, make sure that you select register a new domain. Don't use transfer a new domain, transfer your domain, or I will use my existing domain account. Okay, here you can see travelgist.com.ng is available. This is very sweet domain name. And here you can simply move over here and click add to cart. And after that, you can see here added. You simply move to this space and click on continue. Okay, when you get to this space, you come down here. Move down here, you will see annually, which is 15,000 naira. And here you will see binary. Okay, this one is 25,200 naira. And here is triennially, which is 35,712 naira. And here I will be choosing okay, here I'll be choosing annually. No. As I've showed you, this has no monthly billing. Before, if you've been using a Truehost before, you know that Truehost had a monthly billing, but they removed it currently. You can see my chat with them where I asked them, why is there no monthly billing again for hosting? And here you can see what they answered me. For the web hosting starter, we currently do not have a monthly billing cycle. A monthly billing cycle is available on Web Hosting Pro. And remember, what you want to buy is Web Hosting Starter. So, but after discussing with them, here you can see they say they're sorry about that. I will give this feedback to our system team to consider reversing the package. So if you are watching this video now, maybe before you start your own, they might have reversed it so that you can buy monthly billing for this thing for hosting. For monthly billing, that one you can pay 1,500 for monthly billing for a web hosting starter. So let's not go further there. Let me say if I want to buy this particular one, which cost 15,000 naira. So what I'll have to do is, if I've selected this, if there is a monthly billing here, you can simply select the monthly billing or any of them you want to use. Or if you just want to buy it once, which is 15,000 naira, you can simply click on continue. Hosting and domain we are buying, which costs 15,000 naira. We'll scroll down here. Here you will see existing customer login. If you already have a Truehost account, you can simply click on existing customer login. They will show you where to log into your account which you want to use and buy this hosting. But if you don't have account with them already, then you can select create a new account. And when you scroll down here, you will see here they will ask your first name. Let me use my name, and last name. You can simply put your last name, and here you put your address, any address of your choice, and here you put your phone number, and here you can also put any name of your choice, company name, or if you have any specific company name, you can simply put it there. Here you can see the address, and what again, make sure that you don't miss anything. Here they will ask you, how did you find us? I can simply type friends. Here you can put the phone number, the same phone number you used here, and here you will see they asked you to answer this question 9 plus 2, which is simply 11. They don't normally ask this question, but in case if you are watching this video and you come across this, you can simply answer it. And here you put any password of your choice and confirm the password. You can simply put a password like, but when you are putting a password, make sure that you use a combination of alphabet, numbers, and some punctuation marks, and make sure that your password is strong so that hackers won't access your account. Okay, you confirm. Here you choose how you the payment method, and after that check well and make sure that you entered everything correctly. Then you come over here and click on I have read and agree to the terms. Then you click it here, then you click checkout. Now we've succeeded passing that step, and here is the place they will generate an account number for you. Here remember how much we are paying. We are paying 15,000 naira, and here they will show you an account to make your payment. Simply click on pay now, and then you wait for them to generate the account number. Here you can see the account number. Simply copy this account number and then transfer to the account number. The bank name is Wema Bank. The name you will see there is Truehost, and the bank name, as I said before, is Wema Bank, and the account number is here, and the amount you are paying is 15,000 naira. Make sure you don't make any mistake, And after paying them, you simply click on I have made this bank transfer. Then you wait for them. They will confirm it and then take you to the client area where you will start everything. So I'm not going to pay this money now because it's too much. So for wasting, because I'm not using this hosting for anything. So maybe in my next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to install WordPress and also how to design a website. Make sure you are here, and if you are able to watch this video to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Viral Studio channel, so that you won't miss my next video. In my next video, I'll be teaching you some premium teachings. I'll be mentoring you how to design a website, how to customize a website, and how to standardize a website, making it possible for AdSense or any ad network to approve your website. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you all of those things, how to install WordPress and many other things. So thank you for watching this video. And remember, after making the payment, if you have any issue of them confirming the payment, you can simply use the chat button where you can simply message them, which is this button here. Message them, send them your email, the domain you want to buy, and the amount, the transaction receipt, and also come here and send them the this thing, the number, the this thing. If you check this space, no, there's this thing that they generated. If you scroll back there, you will see it, which is the, okay, you can see it here, invoice number. Invoice number is *301656 in case if they ask you. So you can simply send them the invoice number so that they will know that this is the payment and then they will approve it. So if they don't confirm your payment on time, don't be scared. Just follow that step by messaging them, explain to them, and then they will confirm your payment. So thank you for watching this video, and remember, I love you all. Thank you.